Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'll be showing you how to create a stunning book cover using Adobe Photoshop. Whether you're self-publishing or working on a project, a captivating book cover is essential. So, let's dive right in. First, open Photoshop and create a new document. For a standard book cover, set the size to 6 by 9 inches with a resolution of 300 dpi. If you're designing a full wraparound cover, don't forget to include space for the spine and back cover. Make sure you have accurate dimensions from your printer. Next, create the base of your design by adding a background. You can use a solid color, gradient, or even a textured image. For example, if your book is a mystery novel, you could use a dark gradient or a subtle, moody texture to set the tone. Add images or illustrations that represent the theme of your book. Drag and drop your main image onto the canvas, resize it, position it where it looks best. Use layer masks to blend the image smoothly into the background, if needed. Don't forget to add any decorative elements like shapes, patterns, or textures to enhance the overall look. Now, it's time to add text. Start with the book title. Use a bold, legible font that reflects the book's genre, like a script font for romance or a strong serif for a thriller. Position the title prominently, usually in the upper half of the cover. Then, add the author's name at the bottom or wherever it balances the design. Use a slightly smaller font to let the title stand out more. And that's how you design a professional book cover in Photoshop. I hope this tutorial helps you bring your book to life. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more design tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.